Ithe iqala nje ikhomishana usihlalo wayo wakhala kakhulu ngokungafakwa kwamaphepha afanele nokubambezele ukusebenza kwekhomishana.
It's inconvenient that I should be given this affidavit on the morning of the day when he's supposed to testify about his explanation that could have been dealt with earlier so that by today we would have had certainty about what's happening.
Uzondo uthi basebaningana ofakazi abalindelekile ikhomishana ayinasikhathi.
And the commission simply doesn't have time.
Ummeli kaSinguzamile ukuchazela usihlalo ukuthi kungani kube nokubambezeleka okuvela ngasohlangothini lwabo.
We believe that there is good reason why he did not do so, and it relates to, first of all, the change of legal teams. You will then notice once Matopo attorneys got on board, they immediately corresponded with the commission.
Usihlalo ubesethatha isinqumo ngalolu daba.
I'm going to adjourn the hearing of Mr. Anuj Singh's evidence to a date yet to be determined, and then order that he delivers to the commission by close of business on Monday a comprehensive affidavit as indicated by his counsel.
Ziningana izigameko esezenzeke ezinkampanini ezingamabhizinisi ombuso ezithinta uSingh oyisikhulu esibhekele zemali Eskom kanye naseTransnet. Isikhungo iSouth African Institute of Chartered Accountants samephuca ubulungu baso ngoba sithi akathembekile futhi ubudedengu. uSingh walahlwa amacala ayishumi kwayi-18 nokungamacala athinta isivumelwano sokuthengwa kwezitimela eTransnet kanye nokukhishwa kwezikontileka zemali eshisiwe eEskom. Imibiko ithi uSingh udlelana nomndeni wakwaGupta okuyiwona owahlomula kakhulu ngamathenda aseTransnet kanye naseEskom. NginguCalvin Dludla kwizindaba zeSABC.